Hello there, I want to show you how to save uh, a particular drawing separately from the entire drawing board. Like from this entire drawing board, you have all this load of drawing, but I want to pick this particular drawing here, this particular drawing. This particular drawing that I have just highlighted, I want to save them separately so that I can open them in a new drawing board. Only these two drawings will appear in a new drawing board. Now, as I have just highlighted it, the next thing I will do is move down to my command line. Look at your command line. You can watch the movement of my cursor. Can you see my command line? In that command line, type W block. W block, that's all. After you've typed your W block, press enter. Click on your enter key. This dialog box will just open. In this dialog box, all you need to do is go down to this insert unit. Make sure it is in millimeter. Then move up here. Click on this information. Choose the area you want to save it, whether in your desktop or in any folder. But now I want to save it in my desktop. I'll just click my desktop here. Now find a name. I'll give a name to the file. Give a name to it. In that case, I might just say RRRR. That's the name I want to give to the file. Then I'll just click save. When you click save, come down to this place and click OK. It has just saved. Now close, minimize this drawing board and search for it in your drawing board. Search for it. In this your drawing board, you can you see it? RR. Look at it here. RR. Click on it. You will see that what will open in this RR is just only those two drawings you just saved. This is how you have a new drawing board. Now, since you've done this, exit this new drawing board. Exit it. Exit it. This is my old drawing board with which I taught you this. Ignore it. Now go back to your drawing board. This particular drawing RR, that is the drawing you have to copy out. All you need to do is plug your USB cable with your phone in it. Plug your USB cable to it. Transfer this drawing to your USB cable. Haven't transferred it to your USB cable, send it to me as a WhatsApp message or send it to my email address so that I can download. Now when I download it, I will work on it. I hope this is very clear and understandable. All right, thank you.